Today is Tuesday, January 19th, 2021. We're back at Benwood Park. Today we're going to look at paired practice of the technique that we learned on Thursday last week. I'm going to do this with Tomoko. We're going to do Nikyo, the first part, like we're going to be doing the technique Nikyo,
Okay.
but we're just going to do the very first strike.
Okay.
You know how we do shomen and you push up and then you turn around and then you do shomen?
Okay.
And then remember, and then the next strike is you cut down to the leg and then you'd ski. So we're just going to be doing Nikyo.
All right.
Okay, do you remember that technique?
I think so.
Okay, ready to go? Okay, let's get going. So first I'm going to show you how to do it with a partner, and then grab a partner, grab anyone, grab your significant other, your brother, your sister, your aunt, your daughter, your son, your uncle, doesn't matter. Grab somebody, give them a bokto, and teach them how to do this one simple move, and then do it together. So when I say get your significant other and show them how to do it, you really have to show them how to do it. So I was just showing Tomoko how to, even though she's done this for many, many years, I had to give her like a little refresher course on how to get it done. Okay, Tomoko, so let's face each other right here. And then what we're gonna do is, you're here, right? You step back, you go up.
So that's what I do?
Yeah,
Okay.
do what I do.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay, so start here and go up, back, like this, yeah. Okay, now step forward and strike. Here, right? So we stop here. Now, you push up with this hand, push your right foot forward, like that, and push up, push up, push up, push up, push up. No. This way, right here, like that. Then step forward. Okay, and then turn your hips, 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 and step back. There. Okay?
So I have to move, you don't have to move?
We're both moving. Okay, let's do it again. So we're here, right? So you go up, right? You strike, right? And then push it down. Aim at me, right? Don't go this way. Aim at me here, right? And then you push up like this. No. Don't lift up. Push to me like that. Like you're trying to put this into my face like that. Okay? So we're here.
Hard.
There you go. Push. Right. Now push this up like that. Yeah, right into my face. Yeah, but don't smash my fingers. Okay. Okay, step forward. Yeah, and then turn. Yeah, and step back and strike. Yeah, right? And then up. Each, right? Knee. Son, no. But don't jump ahead of time. Right? Because you're supposed to feel, it's supposed to be the turning of the hip pushes you. And then when you step forward, let's do it again. You're here, right? You strike, right? You push up like this, cross in like that. So now you're pushing this at my face, right? Yeah. Now step forward, but yeah, good. And then turn your hip. Good. And step back and strike on this side, yeah. Now we're gonna do 100 strikes together. So here, each. There you go. Knee, that was excellent. Sun, oops, that was my fault. Right here. Shi, go. That's better. Rok, shich, hach, kyu, ju, juichi, juni, jusan, jushi, jugo, juroku, jushichi, juhachi, jukyu, niju, nijuichi, nijuni, nijusan, nijushi, you're doing good. Nijushi, nijugo, nijuroku, nijushichi, nijuhachi, nijukyu, sanju. That was good. That was the best one. Sanjuichi, sanjuni, sanjusan, sanjushi, sanjugo, sanjuroku, sanjushichi, Come on, come on, come on.
I can't do it.
38. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. That's good. I got to start at 1, 2, 3,
Serious.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Fast forward.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 20 more. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36.
Out.
37, 38. Sorry about that. 38, 39, 40. 10 more, Tomoko. Let's do them as fast as possible. 1, come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. That's 100. Oh man. Did I hit you hard? Okay, come here.
Okay.
Okay, guys, that's 100 times with your significant other. It's a lot of fun to do this with somebody that likes to laugh about it. You can take it as serious as you want, or you can, you know, be as lighthearted as you want. I prefer the lighthearted kind because that kind of keeps your training going longer and more enjoyable and more exciting, especially with somebody that you enjoy training with. Congratulations on doing those 100 strikes with me. Next time what I'll do is I'll show you the next 2 moves of that for completing the Kumitachi Nikyo, the technique that we need to learn that's very similar to the technique that we do without the weapons. I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment below. See you guys next week.